Avalanche beacon search consists of 4 stages. First will be our signal search, where we're searching for a signal. This is usually 40 meters or greater. Next is our coarse search following that signal down to about 10 meters. Third is our fine search. We're going to pinpoint this along a line. And finally, we're going to do our final pinpoint with our probe. Pinpoint, as it says, is the crux of using our avalanche beacon. This illustration shows 3 different methods based on the number of searchers available to search a slope for a signal in our initial or our signal search phase. In this photograph, if there was one searcher searching this slope, this might become the line that they take in their signal search phase.
Basically, you want to get the center arrow lit and move in that direction. Alright, gives you a little adjustment and direction.
If we could see the flux lines of the buried beacon, they might look like this, but you'd have to visualize this in 3 dimensions. Our fine search begins when our beacon displays distance in single digits. By the time our beacon is displaying single digits, the flux line coming from the transmitting beacon is straight. That's why we call it pinpointing along a line.
Ed, center arrow lit. Now that I've got down to single digits in my search, I want to get my beacon down onto the ground. I don't want to sweep and I don't want to rotate the beacon. I want to move along in the straight line. Right now the line I'm moving along is depicted by this probe pole. If I haven't gotten my probe out by this point in time, I should have my probe out and be probing as I'm moving along the line. Pinpointing on a straight line.
This illustration is the method we must use to pinpoint our subject. We've come in from the bottom of the screen, going up vertically here. The large beep is our lowest number. We need to go beyond the lowest number and possibly go to the left and go to the right to make sure there's no lower numbers over there. In going left or right, make sure we don't rotate our beacon or twist it to change orientation. And finally, come back to the lowest point using our probe to locate our subject. .5 going up, 1.1 was the lowest number here, getting closer over here, going up over that way, coming back.